Hi everyone, welcome. In this week tutorial I'll be showing you how to laminate a paper. Most of all the bags we do, most of the photos we do, before you do them we ensure we laminate them. This lamination helps to protect the job from water, from spoilage, from anti-rust and the rest of it. It helps protect the cover of the image so that when something falls on it or when something spills on it, it won't dent the real image. This is a cold lamination and I'm showing you the step by step on how to do it. This is the process. Watch and learn. And for those that are just seeing our video, we come here every week to show you tutorials on how to do printing. We come to show you tutorials on how to do lamination, how to do frames, how to do bags, how to print on customized shirts, how to do table frames, stickers, banner and the rest of it. So if you are yet to like our channel, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button so that whenever we post any of our videos, you will be the first to see it. Like as you can see, this is a tutorial of lamination and I'm showing you the step by step on how we do those laminations. If you are making bags, for example, you need to laminate it. If not, it will tear on time. This lamination helps to hold the bag firm, to avoid tear, to avoid spoilage. Whenever there's a mistake and water fall on it, it will help you protect it. Watch and learn. And for those that are just seeing us, please like, subscribe, drop your comment. If you have any question, I'll be right there to answer you. Love you. As you can see from this video, you'll be putting the paper or the card or whatever thing you want to laminate, you'll be putting them 2 by 2 gently. And you can see the lamination, there's a film on top and there's a film under that does the lamination. The one under will be laminating the other side of the card, while the one on top will be laminating the top part of the card. It will be going slowly. Don't rush it, if not it will not laminate very well. Just allow it to be moving very slowly with the normal temperature, the normal heat. You see the way it's moving gently and gently. Just allow it to be going slowly. If you make it too fast, it will not laminate very well, or even if it laminates, it will be peeling off on the later day. It will be peeling off, it will not be too solid. You just allow it to go down little by little, and somebody will be at the other end receiving it, cutting it, making sure that the cutting is okay and the thing is detached from each other, because as it's coming out in two and it's gummed together. So the other person will be using knife or scissors or razor blade to divide it, to ensure that it is coming out perfectly, to ensure that it is coming out separately before you go and do your final trimming, your final cutting.